What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right now on my way home, I stopped at the auto parts store. I need to pick up some antifreeze. My Yukon does not have antifreeze, and I was looking at the weather and it's supposed to freeze here in a couple of days. Last time that I worked on it, I just put water in the radiator. I didn't even bother to change it. So I'm gonna get some antifreeze. I'm gonna flush the radiator out. Also, guys, I did a quick upgrade on it. I didn't record it, but I did put an exhaust on it. I went with Flowmasters. So let me get the antifreeze, head home, and then I'll give you a cold start of the exhaust. Alright, guys, so it's currently the next day. Tonight the temperature is supposed to go down. It's already kind of raining a little bit. It's cold, so let me hurry up and change the antifreeze, and I'll give you the cold start of the exhaust that I put on. So the plug should be on the driver's side. Should be underneath here. So let me take this off, and then it's just a butterfly. All you have to do is just twist it. There it goes, guys. Y'all can see it's already draining. So, guys, for the new subscribers, this is my Yukon, or slash El Yonke. This is one of my projects that I'm working on. She's sitting on 24s. It got the ghetto drop. That's my Colorado. That's my daily. I really haven't been doing anything to the Colorado. But yeah, this is my project. It's gonna wait and let it drain, and then I'll add the antifreeze. So we put the plug back on. Now time for the antifreeze. Guys, also you don't have to buy the expensive antifreeze. I bought the cheapest one. It'll do the same thing. The important thing is your engine has antifreeze, so your block won't crack. So let's add the second one. It looks like it's full, but I'm gonna turn it on, let it run, let the antifreeze run through the motor, and then we'll pour in some more. So y'all ready for that cold start? Truck hasn't been starting in a couple of days, so it should sound nice. So let's start it up. I did go with the Flowmaster Super 10, and I just dump it right where the axle is, because it does have a step notch, so I can't run it all the way back here. So it just dumped right before the differential. Sounds nice, and I barely noticed I got a flat, guys. I was gonna take it in the cruise, but not gonna happen. All right, guys, so radiator is topped off with antifreeze. I ran it for about 10-15 minutes. She's ready to go. Guys, so it got dark on me, and also it doesn't want to stop raining. So I'll finish off the video inside the Yukon. But yeah, guys, it wasn't much today. Just something maintenance that I needed to do to the truck. Some antifreeze. And also, guys, comment down below. Let me know what y'all think of the exhaust. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. I finally got the parts that I've been waiting to drop the Yukon. Here. The drop springs. The drop shocks. And nothing but the best, guys. Beltec Street Performance shocks. So I got the parts, guys, to start dropping it the right way. I got the flip kit also, the Yukon. I'm fixing it, start taking it apart and work on all the suspension. So y'all don't want to miss those videos. I definitely can't wait to see my Yukon dropped. That's it for today's video, guys. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit that notification, guys, so y'all won't miss none of my videos that I upload. So stay tuned. I can't wait to start taking the Yukon apart and work on all the suspension, guys. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you on the next. Peace.